I'll guide you through how to make a website. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your coding application. Here, I use Visual Studio Code. Once the application is open, go to the top left corner of the window and click on New Text File to create a new file where you will write your code. You can use HTML for the prefix to indicate that the file will be an HTML document. After setting the HTML prefix, you can begin adding content using HTML tags. You may also include additional styling by writing CSS or add interactive behavior by writing JavaScript, depending on the needs of your website. Then create the content of your website according to what you want. This includes elements like text, images, buttons, or any structure that you wish to display on the web page. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with your code, go to the top left corner again, click on Run, and then choose Start Debugging to run the program. This will launch a preview or browser window. After the program runs, you will see your website displayed based on the code you have written.